It is not uncommon for teeth to become damaged over time. If your dental damage is severe, your dentist is likely to recommend a crown, also known as a cap, to restore teeth. A dental crown customized to fit over the entire current tooth, starting at the gum line, to properly restore the tooth to its original shape and size. Dental crowns are most commonly known to be used in dental restoration procedures on teeth that are severely decayed or damaged. Even beyond severely decayed tooth, crowns can be used to improve misshapen teeth and overall enhance your smile. Today, dental crowns have been revolutionized and can be made from a large variety of materials, which allow you to make preferences that fit your needs and/or wants. These varieties and materials can range from gold porcelain or even porcelain fused together with metal. One of the main things that makes crowns popular is the ease and ability to match the natural color and overall appearance of your own personal teeth. The process of determining your crown needs, choosing the crown itself, and the one that is right for your smile, is one your dentist will be involved in. When it comes to the actual insertion of the crown, there are typically at least 2 visits that are required to the dentist's office. On your initial dental visit, you can expect the dentist to engage in a process of numbing your tooth and the areas that surround the tooth with a local anesthetic. The next step is to prepare the tooth for the crown by shaping it and removing any decay or damage, which may cause the tooth to require additional filling or to be built back up to properly fit the crown. Finally, your dentist will gather impressions of your tooth for your custom crown to be created to fit your tooth and as best as possible to fit your smile. While your crown is being made, your tooth is fitted with a temporary crown that is placed until your crown is ready to be placed on the next visit. After the initial visit, the impressions gathered are sent to a dental lab to have your custom and more permanent crown be created. After the crown is completed, the complete and final restoration is sent back to your dentist, and you will be asked to come back in for your second visit. On this second visit, your dentist is expected to fit your own tooth with a permanent crown customized for you. The dentist then makes any necessary adjustments to the crown for it to sit comfortably on your tooth. After this, the new crown is cemented into place and you're on your way to a beautiful smile. If you'd like more information, or if you think your smile may benefit from a custom dental crown, please contact your dentist today.